Hey
Hey guys,
guys,
welcome
welcome
to
to
New
New
Growth
Growth
Naturals
Naturals
Hub.
Hub. In this video, I'll be showing you how to safely take down your braids.
So Gary is using the Talia Wajid Apple and Aloe leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair. It is critical to moisturize your braids before you take them down to prevent breakage. So if you don't have this leave-in conditioner, you can use any of your favorite oils to saturate your hair. Next is adding the shea butter recipe that I've always been doing on my video. If you have not seen that video before, check out this shea butter leave-in conditioner recipe. It definitely strengthens your hair and definitely moisturize your hair and help it to retain that moisture for a longer time. So he's saturating my hair with that, and trust me, he's not adding too much. My hair is just going to drink up all of that.
Now that your hair is moisturized, I'm using a hairpin to pick it out. You can use a rat tail comb or any sharp object of your choice. Ensure you're not using a comb to detangle the hair or to comb through, but rather do the finger detangle so you can retain more length, and you rather use your finger to pick out the shredded hair or the loose hair.
Indeed, so Gary, and this is critical to retaining length. Most persons do a lot of protective style, but they're not gentle during the takedown process, and that's when the hair is so vulnerable. It tends to have a lot of knots. It tends to break easily, so you have to be gentle. Finger detangling is always the best. So once you take down a section, go through with your finger, remove the lint, remove the shredded hair to protect it from any tangles that will cause knots and breakage in the future. So once he's done with the section, he's just stretching the hair to remove any excessive shedded hair, to remove the lint, and then he's just going to twist it out of the way because you don't want to leave it out for it to get dry, shrunken on itself, and create more knots.
Guys, we are down to our last braid. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, and thank you for subscribing, liking, and supporting New Growth Naturals Hub. And thanks to you, Gary, for helping me to take down my braids.
You're welcome.
I've been so busy. And I'm so tired now. Anyway, guys, whenever you're taking down your braids or any particular style, remember this video. Come back and watch it. And take your time. If you're frustrated, leave it. It's okay to come back another time.